Soi Welcome now. Some of you guys asked me if I can make a video about Soi Welcome in Beach Road, Jomtien Beach Road, and I will do that now. I don't think I ever been here before, but so I don't know what's inside that soy, but let's look for it. Yeah, here we have Beach Road, Jomtien Beach Road, and the beach, of course. This is the signage for in Thai, so it's not in English, but anyway, for you Thai people who look this, you can read everything on the sign here. So let's go for a walk up here in Soi Welcome and look for what it's all about in Soi Welcome. I have some people who ask me, can you make video from Soi Welcome, and today it's number 21 of April 2018, and I actually don't know what is special about this soy, but I can show you guys right now. Of course we have a lot of stores here, restaurants. I don't know if it's something about bar or massage or whatever, but I think it's same thing as the Thai people say. But this is Soi Welcome. You can play pool in here. Yes, it's of course it's off season, so, and just after Sonkran, so it's pretty quiet here today. Today is Saturday, so normally it should be extra party time here, but it's afternoon, so I think the party time not start yet. So, but as I told you before, there's no signage about, nothing signage telling about this is Soi Welcome, but there's a signage in Thai. I don't know why they only make this signage in Thai, but because it should be for tourists, for Falang. And see, but anyway, but it's afternoon, late afternoon, so it's pretty quiet here right now. But some of you guys have asked me to make a small video about this soy, because maybe some of you guys visit this place sometimes and wanted to see how it looks right now in April. You can say off season if you want, but normally I think the season is about November, December, January, February. It's high season in Thailand. But you see, no customer, no people in here. So not so much to show here. Everybody sit and relax. And have a quiet time. I think most of the people is tired after Songkran. it's one big party, one big splash of water. So, but this street is a mix of bars, hotels, restaurant, like everywhere else in Jomtien or Pattaya. So yeah, but this is Soi Welcome in April 2018, and as you can see, it's a quiet place right now. Not so much to show, but anyway, some of you guys asked me if I can make some video from Soi Welcome, and I do now. So this is it. And then we have some hotel or something here. I don't know what it's called, but and that's it. And a big parking space. Yeah. I think that is it for today from Soi Welcome outside Jomtien, outside Pattaya. I hope you enjoyed the video. Nothing much to show, but anyway, that's it for today, and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye. See you next time. And please subscribe to my channel, because I will be here for the next 2 months and make a lot of videos about many things. Okay, bye bye. See you later.